Give the biochemical indications of calc-phos in detail. Write the biochemical indication of calcium phosphoricum in detail. Here is the detailed university style answer in English. Biochemical system of calcarea phosphoricum and ATM based on second year image. Introduction. Calcarea phosphoricum calphos is one of the 12 remedies of biochemical medicine formulated by Dr. Sussler. It is calcium phosphate compound nature found in bone, teeth, connective tissue is considered essential for growth, repair and nutrition. Sources. Calcarea phosphoricum, a combination of calcium phosphoric acid prepared by trituration, chemically pure phosphate or lime. Chemical formula: Ca3PO4 to calcium phosphate. Prepare trituration method use lactose milk as per homeopathic pharmacopoeia. Physiological role: important in bone formation, help in cell growth, repair. Requirement for blood coagulation, supportive nerve and muscle function, assist in teeth development, spare of action, bone and joints. Teeth, gland, nerves, digestive system, anemic condition. Biochemical indication of calcarea phosphorica in children: delayed dentition, teething trouble with greenish diarrhea, poor growth and development, rickets, open front nail, thin skull bone, craving for straw of smoked food, in bone and joint, weak brittle bone, fracture, heal slowly, bone pain worse during change weather, growing pain in children, rheumatic complaint of the joint, anemia and general weakness, post-ill recovery after acute disease like typhoid, weakness in children after diarrhea, general emaciation with pale face in adolescents and puberty, during puberty for proper growth, backache in school-going children due to rapid growth. Menstrual complaint due to weakness uterus. In teeth gums, delayed teething, caring of teeth in children, weak, crumbling teeth, toothache during teething. In a mental emotional symptom, forgetfulness, lack of interest in study in children, tendency to be sad and melancholic in digestive complaint, flatulence, colic pain, diarrhea during dentition, craving for indigestion, think chalk policy, etc. In cravensliness, useful recovery stage after prolonged illness, act as tonic for weak children, improve appetite and digestion. Modalities: aggravation, cold weather, change weather, evening, during dentition. Amelioration, warm, rest, summer season. Constitution, anemic children with fair ability, cold skin, children with slow mental physical development, young girls delay menses and backache. Dose: usually given 3 cx potency, repeated frequently in acute cases, lower potency preferred in biochemical system. Conclusion: calcarea phosphorus is important biochemical remedy, especially suitable for growing children, delayed dentition, bone complaint, weak constitution. It is known as nutritive remedy and support overall development of the body.